Yung ano mo pang ginawa na sa labas.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Ay ate, ano yan?
Kumusta na? Bawang lang.
Okay lang.
They have in-laws with in Uganda, Texas. So we sold a lot of our things. Yeah.
Ano yung movie kaka?
Mulan.
Mulan.
Napanood mo na yan?
Oo ata.
Then we can watch something else if you want to watch something else.
Bradley Blake. There it is.
Akit!
Now we'll watch this. We want to watch it.
Okay. It's up to you. I'll give it to you. Wow. That's a lot of improvement. Iba na siya yan. That's a lot of improvement.
At saka, sa simula nung dumating, nag-smile siya nung dumating sa bahay nila kaka. Alam, kasi may nalaglag sa hagdan yung kambal. Pinagtawanan pa niya. Yun lang ang pinaka...